So in today's video, I'll let you how you can use Gridspace's AI voice agent Grace to capture leads and save them into the small business CRM Honeybook. Now the example company for the use case today is a small event booking company, and they are using Grace to capture leads, qualify them, and then save that into Honeybook, and then follow up with the lead with a booking link so they can have a virtual tour or talk to one of their representatives. And here for the connection between Honeybook and Gridspace, we are using the automation tool Zapier to save the information and create a project in Honeybook, and also then follow up with the leads via Gmail. Now first I'll just jump into the demo for the event booking company, and then I'll show you the setup afterwards.
Hi, thanks for calling Harper Event Spaces, where your next unforgettable event begins. I'm Grace, your virtual assistant. Are you calling to book a private or a corporate event?
Yes, hi, I'm looking to book an event for my business.
Wonderful. I can help with that. What date are you planning to host your event?
That'll be 16th of May.
I heard May 16th. Is that right?
Yep, that's right.
How many guests are you expecting?
About 200.
I have that as 200. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
And would you like to include catering as part of your event?
Yes, we would.
May I just see a couple details to get everything started? May I have your full names, please?
Yes, that would be John Smith.
That's spelled Johnsmith. Is that right?
Yep, that's right.
Thanks, John Smith. And what's the best email address to reach you?
That would be John_Smith@gmail.com.
To confirm, that email is JOHN_SMITH@gmail.com. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Thank you. Cheers. What's next? I'll send over a calendar link so you can book a quick call or tour with one of our event coordinators. You'll also get a proposal tailored to your corporate event, including venue options, pricing, and catering packages. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that was it.
You're very welcome. We're excited to help you create something amazing. Keep an eye on your inbox. Have a great day. Goodbye.
And now if I go into the Honeybook CRM of Harper Event Spaces, Grace should have created a contact there and a project. So let's see. Yep, we got our contact there, John Smith at johnsmith_gmail.com with our phone number. And then also if you go into project here, let's see. Yeah, we can see here that Grace was able to create the project. And if I go into details here, she was able to as well include how many people are coming, and also yes, they want catering. So as you just saw, Grace was easily able to pick up on the caller's intent, capture the lead's information, like about the event and also the personal information of the lead, and then communicate with Honeybook through Zapier and saving this contact and creating a new project in our CRM. Now I'm going to go in and show you how we have done the setup for this flow. So what we use now for the connection between Gridspace and Honeybook is the automation tool Zapier. So here we have our Zapier flow, or a SAP, and here we are triggering this SAP by a webhook. So we're triggering this from a connector in Gridspace. I'll show you later. This webhook link. So here we can find our link to our webhook right here. And once this is triggered with the information, from Gridspace, we then go into our Honeybook node right here. So Honeybook has created some integrations here with Zapier. So the action event we're taking is we're creating a new project, and we're connected it to our account. And then here we are then filling in all the information from the webhook we got. So how we just do this is we have / and then we can see here, this is basically the payload from the webhook from Gridspace. We have the name, the phone, the email, the date, etc. And then here we're just mapping all those details to the projects from Gridspace. And once this is done, we will then go to the next node, which is a Gmail node. And here we're just basically following up with the caller. Again, we can use the information here from the webhook, so sending it to the caller's email. And here following up with information about the booking link for a viewing or speaking with one of the representatives of Harper Event Booking. And also some additional information here we can follow up with the client immediately. So now we go here into a Gridspace setup, and here we have the playbook or the script of the whole flow. We are on the playbooks here in the Gridspace UI. So this is a page node system, and here we have our greeting page. We have our intro script, and here we have some paths. It's a corporate or private event. And here we built out the corporate path. So here we are collecting some information from them through the form fields in Gridspace. We're collecting the date, how many guests are they expecting, and if they would like catering or not. And as you can see here, we can choose the type of information we would like to collect. So here you can be very specific, so you can get the correct information into Honeybook as well. So here we're collecting a date, a number, and a detailed yes or no answer. And then we're saving that information into these tags. And these tags are where we're going to send the information from Gridspace into through Zapier into Honeybook. And also we can make these questions optional if you would like. And then we go into the client details, and here we're collecting the full name. Again, we can select very specific about the type of information we're collecting, full name and an email of the client. And then in the next node here, we are in here triggering a connector, which is basically a script. Now this is no coding required from your side. I'll just go into the connector now to show you how this is set up. So this is the connector. This is in the connectors, and basically this is an HTTP connector, and here everything is set up for you. So all you need to do is you need to find the link from Zapier to trigger the webhooks. This will be the link that you can find here, up here. You copy this link into this connector, and then this is the URL, and it's the post request, and here you can fill in all the information for the JSON request body, because we're sending a JSON body to Zapier. So this is the body key, basically what's the name of the key we're sending through the JSON, and here is the value. And just here we have the tags we are saving the information in previously. So if you go into Playbook again, we can see here we are saving the full name information into this tag, which will then, so if we put in that tag here, we're using a hashtag and a full name, the Gridspace will get that information we got from the tag, in this case John Smith, and send that over to Zapier. So here we see we're using this tag like this: client email, event details, catering, etc. And then we then put this in here as connector, and then we pause until it's completed. So this will run during the call, and then send information to Zapier. And of course, then here we have our kind of ending script, and then asking if anything else we can help you with. Then no. Then we go into the last, basically outcome page. We set this to outcome, which will then kind of finish the script right here. And that was how we use Gridspace's AI voice and Grace to capture leads and then save that information into Honeybook. Now, our Gridspace setup also consisted of a call flow and a voice agent or a bot. But if you would like to know how to create those, you can go into the Grace 101 video. We didn't go through it today. Now, if you have any questions about this flow, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll answer any questions you have there. If you'd like to see more demos like this, you can go into our website, gridspace.com, to see Grace in different scenarios. Now, I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.